everybody, it is your girl Letitia and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be on this look. I did a look for the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I got 3 out of 4 palettes from them. Today's look is going to be on the Dark Magic palette. Now, quick run through of the palette. The palette is $15. I believe the grams that come with it is the grams that are in it is 16 grams. 16 grams. And so this is what the box looked like. It has the packaging, silver and white packaging, which is what her original palette was like as well. And it has like these little polka dots that match the theme of the palette. On the back it says, "I'm so excited to finally show you guys the shades I've stashed away in the vault. I hope you love this collection." And it has like a cute little picture of her on the back. Jaclyn Hill. And it's just like, I just can't get any rest. Like, she just launched this collection and now she's launching a brush collection with Morphe, and it's like, Jaclyn Hill, like, even God rested, like, can you calm down please? I really like this palette. I was drawn to it because there's a lot of deep dark colors in here. You have like greens and silvers, very cool tones, taupey colors. I'm going out tonight and me and my friend have been doing a thing where she kind of picks a look for me based off of what I'm wearing. So this is the look that I was recreating, and though it's not the same because her blue is more of like a cool, blue is cool, but it's more like an ashier denim blue. I think I did a good job. Let me know. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, make sure to stay tuned and keep on watching. So I already got my brows on. Then I'm going in with the light concealer to act as my base and patting that on. Then I'm going in with the shade Busted from the Dark Magic palette, and I am literally packing that color on. One thing I noticed about this color was that I had to go in a lot back into the palette and really to get the pigmentation that I was looking for. And that's the shape that I am trying to achieve. But once you get it, it's pigmented. Then I am just taking a clean, small, tapered brush and I'm just blending out the edges. This is the secret tip of life that I just learned. I thought that you need transition colors for everything, and you really don't. Just take a clean brush, blend out those edges, and it'll create that transition color for you. Then I am going in with a little bit of Temptress from the palette because I just wanted to add a little bit more depth, a little bit of smoky to the look. Then I'm cutting my crease with that same light concealer shade, which is Select Cover Up, in the shade NW15. I think these are discontinued now. And I did a half cut crease, and then I am now setting that concealer with the shade Power Cut, which it's not showing as much, but it's like a silvery taupey color. And then I'm going in with the shade Trickery to where those two shades meet, and it kind of gives me a really nice blend. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, as I was doing this look, I was so scared, but it just actually came out pretty well. Then I'm going in with the Dazzle Shadow by MAC to add a little bit of sparkle, and Every Day is a Sparkle. And then I'm lining my top liner with the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. Cleaning up those edges so we can have a sharp, crisp eye. And then going with foundation. Once again, this is another intermediate tutorial, so you know this process is super quick, super fast. You guys already know how to beat your faces. So foundation, the CoverGirl Made to Matte Concealer NARS Amande Creamy Radiance. Just blending that out. Patting motions. Fenty Beauty Espresso Matchstick. Using patting motions to get the most pigmentation out of that contour stick. And then I'm going to set my concealer with the MAC Studio Fix Powder NC42, and then grabbing that same powder in the shade NC47, I'm going to set my whole entire face. Going to grab my LA Girl eyeliner and line my waterline, and then I'm going to grab Temptress and Busted to set that waterline to give me a really nice smoky effect. Grabbing some lashes, popping those on. Those just change the look, don't they? And then I'm going to go on to my lips using chestnut. Everybody loves a good chestnut. And I was kind of struggling with the lip combo. I went in with the Try Again lipstick by Aaliyah. And then I decided to go in with a dark brown lip gloss, but I didn't like that look. So I decided to go in with Self-Aware lipstick from MAC, which is a light nude. I'm just brighten that back up. And that is it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are loving the content. If you guys want to see more looks, more of the vault, make sure you guys thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.